to do? We're going to have numbers. No, don't do that. Dali na, go. Can you give me the number 1? Good job. Can you give me number 10?
That one?
Yeah. Can you give me the number 6? Oh no. Hungry. I'm vlogger. Give me the number 6. Wow. Okay, let's go to the other side. So this one, can you give me the goat?
Goat?
Can you
Where's
find
the goat?
Okay, can you give it to me? Just one. Just give me one.
No, just give a 2.
Okay, give me a 2.
There's your money.
How about the old one? Give me the old. Nasaan ang old? Oh no. Gutom. The old. Yes. Oh,
Old Chihuahua.
Old Chihuahua. Oh. How about the young?
I'm the young.
Yes, you are young.
Here's the young.
Let's see. Wow, it's young. How about the rectangle? Where's gutom again? Oh no, hungry. Eating while playing. Give me the rectangle. Good job. How about let's go back to the numbers. How about the number 5? Great job. Okay, you put
Kaya
it
ko
there.
na.
Kaya mo na. Okay, how about the sod? Where is the sod?
Lamok.
That's not lamok. Sad. Where is the sad? Oh no, you can find. Paano daw sad? Paano face ng sad? It's not sad. Oh, get it! Get the sad. Very good. Okay, when we have sad, how about, may I see your happy face? Okay, so can you give me the happy? Ano ba yan? Eat first, open it back. Okay, give me the happy. Wow! Good job! How about, let's go to the planets. Are you ready with the planets?
Yes!
Wow! Okay, can you give me the... Okay. Can you give me the Mars? Where's the Mars? Hala, tingnan mo. You read first. You read the... Oh. Yan. Okay. Ay! Oh, very good. How about the Earth? The Earth. Where's the Earth?
The earth is too malayo.
Yes. I give it to you.
Here goes the earth. Here goes the earth. Here goes the earth.
Okay.
Here
I
goes
give
the
it to you.
earth.
How about... Saan ba nagwo-work si Daddy?
Sa Mercury.
Can you give me that? Wow, it's a Mercury. How about Mommy? Saan nag-work si Mommy?
Sa Venus.
Can you give it to me? Tayo, give it to me, the Venus. Where is it? Find it.
Aayusin ko.
Give me the Venus first.
I'm so hungry.
You are hungry. Oh no, here's the Venus.
I'm so hungry.
What do you want? What's that? What's that? What do you want to eat?
Uubos na yan, oh.
Oh no.
Oh, uubos na yan.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.